In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google Forms anonymous. This is an essential skill if you're looking to conduct surveys or collect data without linking responses back to specific individuals. Whether you're a teacher, a manager, or just someone who needs to gather information privately, these steps will help you maintain the anonymity of your respondents efficiently. First, let's start by opening your preferred Google browser. You'll want to be logged into your Google account to access the app seamlessly. Once you've done that, move your attention to the grid icon located in the top right corner of your browser. This icon, labeled as Google Apps, is your gateway to various useful Google tools. Click on the Google Apps icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, locate and select Forms. The Forms app is where you'll be able to create new forms or edit existing ones. Click on it and it will open up a list of forms associated with your account. Now, you'll see an array of your existing forms. Go ahead and select the form that you wish to make anonymous. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new form by clicking on the plus sign. Once you're on the form you'd like to edit for anonymity, look for the gear icon which represents the settings. This is found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on settings will open a new window with several tabs. Here, you want to focus on the responses tab, which is crucial for keeping your form submissions anonymous. Click on that and you'll see various options that determine how responses are collected. A key setting you need to pay attention to is collect email addresses. If this option is turned on, Google Forms will automatically gather the email addresses of your respondents, which compromises anonymity. To ensure that responses remain anonymous, you need to disable this option. In the Responses tab, locate the Collect Email Addresses option, click on it to view the drop-down menu, select Do Not Collect, and this will prevent the form from capturing email addresses when people fill it out. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted your Google form to collect anonymous responses. Remember, keeping responses anonymous can encourage higher participation rates and more honest feedback, as respondents feel more comfortable sharing their opinions without the fear of being identified. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in ensuring the privacy of your data collection efforts.